It's really coming down out there. I'm soaked.
You good?
Oops. Sorry. Ignore me.
I don't see what's so funny. Crap, are you crying now?
I can't help it. My dog died recently, and your face, you look just like him.
Hold up, so I look like a damn mud is what you're saying?
No, it's not like that. I'm sorry. Jeez, are you okay?